Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Month Deep Dive, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, stocks, and global markets for the month ending Friday, May 30th, 2025. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes all posted strong gains this month. The Nasdaq Composite Index led with a 9.5% surge to 19,113.77, showing a very strong positive trend. The S&P 500 Index rose 6.1% to 5,911.68, while the Dow 30 Index advanced 3.9% to 42,270.8. Market breadth was notably positive for the month. The S&P 500 showed 341 advancing stocks versus 154 declining. The Russell 2000 displayed similar strength with 1,242 advances against 651 declines, despite its mixed trend pattern. Looking at three-month performance, the Nasdaq Composite stands out with a positive return of 1.4%, while other major indexes showed slight declines. Over 1 year, all indexes maintained positive territory, led by the Nasdaq at 14.2%. Annual rates of return reveal varying performance patterns. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite lead with 12.9% and 14.2% respectively, while the Russell 2000 showed more modest gains at 0.47%.
Checking out best and worst performing equities, I'm Penny Stock. SharpLink Gaming leads with a staggering 2,224% gain to 76.70. Regencell Bioscience followed with a 1,361% surge to 877, marking a new all-time high after 4 consecutive monthly gains. The 3-month performance metrics show remarkable returns. SharpLink Gaming posted a 1,627% gain, while Regencell Bioscience achieved an impressive 18,965% return. Kindly MD delivered a 1,245% return over the same period. Annual rates of return were extraordinary. SharpLink Gaming showed a 118,789% ARR, while Regencell Bioscience posted an incredible 2.2 million% ARR on a 3-month basis. Kindly MD recorded a 42,592% ARR. Among large caps, NRG Energy topped performers with a 42.2% gain to 155.90. Constellation Energy rose 37% to 306.15. Seagate Technology reached a new all-time high of 117.94, up 29.5%. 3-month total returns show NRG Energy leading with 47.5%, followed by GE Vernova at 41.1%. Constellation Energy posted a 22.2% return over the same period. Looking at annualized returns, NRG Energy achieved a 392% ARR, while GE Vernova recorded 310%. Constellation Energy showed a 127% ARR on a 3-month basis. Among decliners, Polyrizon fell 98.8% to 0.91. TransCode Therapeutics dropped 97.8% to 6.79. Digital Ally declined 96.4% to 2.50, all hitting new all-time lows. 3-month returns were deeply negative. Polyrizon fell 99.5%, Digital Ally lost 98.4%, and Healthcare Triangle declined 98.2%. All showed persistent downward trends with multiple months of consecutive losses. Leading the worst performers, Polyrizon plunged 98.8% to 0.91, marking a new all-time low after 5 consecutive down months. TransCode Therapeutics dropped 97.8% to 6.79, while Digital Ally fell 96.4% to 2.50, both hitting new record lows. Among large caps, UnitedHealth led declines, falling 26.6% to 301.91. Regeneron Pharmaceuticals dropped 18.1% to 490.28 amid strong downward volatility. Eli Lilly declined 17.9% to 737.67, setting new yearly lows. The deepest three-month losses were seen in UnitedHealth at -36.4% and Regeneron at -29.8%. Becton, Dickinson, and Cooper companies both showed consistent declines across multiple timeframes. Annual returns show severe underperformance, with Regeneron posting a -49.5% yearly return. UnitedHealth recorded -37.3%, while Becton, Dickinson, and Cooper companies both declined around -24% for the year.
And now onto U.S. sector performance, where technology and communication services led the pack with gains of 10.7% and 9.6% respectively. Industrials achieved a new all-time high, climbing 8.6%. Both technology and communication services show strong upward trends with 2 consecutive monthly gains. Market breadth data shows overwhelming strength in the 1-month timeframe. Technology saw 459 advances versus 214 declines, while industrials posted 482 advances against 144 declines. Financial services showed similar strength with 444 advances versus 159 declines. Looking at 3-month returns, industrials outperformed with a 4.8% gain, while technology followed at 2.6%. Communication services added 1.1%, though financial services declined 2.4%. Annual returns show financial services leading with a 24.1% gain, followed by consumer cyclical at 20.8%. Communication services and technology also performed well, returning 19.7% and 13.9% respectively.
Leading tech stocks showed significant gains this month. Seagate Technology led with a 29.5% rise to 117.94, hitting a new all-time high. Broadcom displayed strong momentum, climbing 25.7% to 242.7. Microchip Technology, First Solar, and Supermicrocomputer all posted gains exceeding 25%. 3-month performance shows Broadcom leading with a 21.4% return. First Solar and Seagate Technology followed with gains of 16.1% and 15.7% respectively. Microchip Technology and Supermicrocomputer experienced slight declines over the period. Annual rate of return analysis reveals Broadcom outperforming with a 77.5% ARR. Seagate Technology posted a positive 25.9% ARR, while Microchip Technology, First Solar, and Supermicrocomputer showed negative annual returns.
The worst-performing sectors show mixed results. Healthcare led declines, dropping 5.7% to 1,543.46 and hitting a new 1-year low. Energy showed a very strong negative trend despite edging up slightly. Real estate and consumer defensive both displayed positive trends. Market breadth reveals underlying weakness in these sectors. Healthcare shows significant deterioration with 580 declining stocks versus 463 advancing over the past month. Energy shows some near-term strength with advances outpacing declines more than 2-1, despite its longer-term negative trend. 3-month returns highlight the challenging environment. Healthcare and energy both declined about 11%, while consumer defensive showed resilience with nearly flat returns. Basic materials posted a modest decline of 2.4%. Annual returns show consumer defensive as the standout performer with a 12.9% gain. In contrast, energy posted the steepest annual decline at 10.4%. Healthcare and basic materials also recorded negative annual returns.
Healthcare stocks faced significant pressure this month. UnitedHealth led the decline, dropping 26.6% to 301.91 with new yearly lows. Regeneron Pharmaceuticals and Eli Lilly both recorded steep losses of over 17%, also hitting new yearly lows. The 3-month performance shows substantial weakness. UnitedHealth posted the largest decline at -36.4%, followed by Regeneron at -29.8%. Cooper Companies has been consistently declining for 4 straight months. Annual returns highlight the sector's challenges. Regeneron shows the steepest annual decline at -49.5%, while UnitedHealth follows at -37.3%. Eli Lilly has shown more resilience with a relatively smaller annual decline of -9.5%.
Thanks for watching. I'm Max Profit, along with my AI co-host Penny Stock. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.